The Fascinating Life of the Swallowtail Butterfly, a journey through metamorphosisal butterflies, belonging to the family Papilionidae, are among nature's most magnificent and diverse insects. With over 550 species worldwide, 27, these butterflies captivate observers with their vibrant colors, distinctive tail-like extensions on their hindwings, and remarkable life cycle. This comprehensive exploration delves into the swallowtail's extraordinary journey from egg to adult, revealing the adaptations and behaviors that make this family of butterflies so unique. Taxonomy and global distribution. Swallowtail butterflies are classified into three main subfamilies: Boroniini, containing only one relic species in Mexico, Parnasini, mountain-dwelling species, and Papilionini, the most diverse group too. These butterflies inhabit every continent except Antarctica, with the greatest diversity found in tropical and subtropical regions between 20N and 20S, particularly in Southeast Asia too. Some species, like the eastern black swallowtail Papilio-polixenes, range from the Gulf of Mexico to southern Canada, while others, like the Siberian Apollo Parnasius arcticus, survive in Arctic conditions. 21. The family's name derives from the forked appearance of some species' hindwings resembling swallows' tails. Linnaeus named the type genus Papilio, Latin for butterfly, assigning Greek mythological names to many species. 2. This diverse family includes both the smallest swallowtails and the world's largest butterflies, the birdwings of the genus Ornithoptera. 2. The life cycle, a four-stage transformation. Stage 1, the egg. The swallowtail's life begins as a tiny, spherical egg laid singly on host plants. Females carefully select vegetation that will nourish their offspring, with species showing strong preferences for particular plant families. The eastern black swallowtail, for example, favors plants in the carrot family Apiaceae, including dill, parsley, fennel, and Queen Anne's lace. 18. A single female may lay 2,00430 pale yellow eggs over her lifetime, depositing 30-50 per day. 18. These eggs darken as the caterpillar develops inside, hatching in 4-10 days depending on temperature. 16. Stage 2. The caterpillar larval stage. Upon emerging, the tiny caterpillar first consumes its nutrient-rich eggshell before turning to its host plant. 6. Swallowtail caterpillars undergo several molts, typically 5 instars, with dramatic changes in appearance between stages. Early instars often resemble bird droppings for camouflage, while later stages develop striking coloration and patterns. 39. One remarkable feature of swallowtail caterpillars is the osmeterium, a bright orange Y-shaped defensive organ that emerges from behind the head when threatened, releasing foul-smelling terpenes to deter predators. 24. As Donna Long observed, when threatened or poked gently with a stick, which I did, the caterpillar raises its osmeterium and waves it about. 4. This unique structure, combined with the caterpillar's ability to sequester toxins from host plants like Aristolochia, provides effective protection. 2. The larval stage lasts 3-4 weeks for most species, during which the caterpillar may increase its body mass by thousands of times. 16. In their final instar, many swallowtail caterpillars develop false eye spots that make them resemble small snakes, adding another layer of predator deterrence. 3. Stage 3. The chrysalis pupal stage. When ready to pupate, the caterpillar seeks a sheltered location, often traveling significant distances from its host plant. 5. It spins a silken pad and attaches itself with a silk girdle, forming a characteristic J shape, before shedding its final larval skin to reveal the chrysalis beneath. 16. Swallowtail chrysalides exhibit remarkable color polymorphism, ranging from vibrant green to woody brown, often matching their surroundings for camouflage. 56. The pupal stage typically lasts 10-20 days for summer generations, but those formed in late summer or fall may enter diapause, overwintering for 8 to 9 months until spring. 16. As Bob Mull noted, in late summer, BS caterpillars will enter diapause for the winter months and eclose the following year in May or June. 5. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes one of nature's most astonishing transformations. Its body essentially dissolves into a nutrient-rich soup from which adult structures form. Specialized groups of cells called imaginal discs develop into wings, antennae, legs, and other butterfly features. 6. Stage 4. The adult butterfly emergence, called eclosion, typically occurs in the morning when humidity is high. The newly emerged adult pumps hemolymph into its crumpled wings, which expand and harden over several hours. 56. Adults live 6-14 days on average, though some may survive up to 40 days. 18. Adult swallowtails exhibit sexual dimorphism. Male eastern black swallowtails have larger, brighter yellow spots and less prominent blue scaling between these spots compared to females. 18. Some species, like the eastern tiger swallowtail, show female-limited polymorphism, where some females mimic toxic species like the pipevine swallowtail for protection. 39. Ecological roles and adaptation. Swallowtails play vital roles in their ecosystems as both pollinators and prey. Adults visit flowers for nectar, transferring pollen between blooms. 8. Their long proboscis, up to 1.5 times their body length, allows them to access nectar in deep-throated flowers unavailable to other insects. 8. These butterflies face numerous predators throughout their life cycle, including birds, spiders, wasps, and small mammals. 78. Their survival strategies include chemical defenses from toxic host plants. 28. Batesian mimicry. Harmless species resembling toxic ones. 7. Lyrian mimicry. Multiple toxic species sharing warning colors. 2. Startle displays with eye spots and osmeteria. 49. Male swallowtails exhibit territorial behavior, patrolling specific areas and chasing rivals while searching for mates. 8. They also engage in puddling, gathering at damp soil to obtain minerals like sodium that are important for reproduction. 7. Conservation and human connections. Many swallowtail species face threats from habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. 7. The British swallowtail Papilio britannicus is now restricted to the Norfolk Broads and protected under UK Law 10. Gardeners can support swallowtails by planting native host plants like milk parsley for the British swallowtail or golden Alexander for black swallowtails, and nectar sources such as milkweed and phlox. 810. The swallowtail's remarkable life cycle has inspired scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. As Sharon Gray eloquently described, while inside the chrysalis, changes in the caterpillar cells unlock complex chemical processes responsible for the radical transformation of its body into a butterfly. 6. This metamorphosis continues to symbolize transformation and renewal across cultures. From their intricate life history strategies to their ecological importance and aesthetic beauty, swallowtail butterflies represent one of nature's most successful and captivating insect adaptations. Their continued survival depends on our understanding and preservation of the delicate ecological relationships that sustain them.